And welcome back on her channel.
Nasaan tayo na?
Artistang artista, di ba? Oh my God, may bangka. Ay, bangka! Tren. Bangka. Iluwan layo naman ng bangka sa tren. Ano ba yan? Hello mga ka-Chinoys. Today is going to be a good day. No, it's a beautiful day today as you can see on the video. Finally, matutuloy na kami dun sa second part ng vlog ng aming Toronto tour. So, the last time na pumunta tayo was, I think that's about 3 weeks ago or a month ago. So, I was with Kat before, okay, who's our driver today. Ayan. And then, dalawa lang kami. So, ngayon, we are on a bigger group. Ayun, so, we are on our way and pupunta muna kami. Yan si girl, nagpupusod na. Pupunta muna kami sa, anong mall yun?
Yorkdale Mall.
Ayun, sa Yorkdale Mall. So, yun yung one of the biggest mall also, just like, ayun, and then later, magbabangka kami. Bangka? Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung mas magandang term doon na gamitin? Ayan, magbo-boat naman kami. Ayan, magbo-boat kami. Anong tawag dun sa boat na yun?
Tall boat cruise.
Yun, tall boat cruise. Ayun, so yeah, we'll see you there.
It was indeed a very busy Sunday. On our way pa lang from Hamilton ay nararamdaman na namin ang build-up ng maraming mga sasakyan. So expectedly, ay susuungin namin ang traffic. And here we go on our first destination of the day. Sa entrada pa lamang ng Yorkdale Mall ay sumalubong sa amin ang mahabang pila ng mga tao sa very famous na The Cheesecake Factory. Yummy! And for sure, sa parking lot pa lang ay talagang alam mong napakalaki ng mall na ito para tuloy na alala ang Mega Mall.
And welcome to Yorkdale Shopping Mall.
We first visited the Sport Check store and bala ko sanang bumili ng isang rubber shoes. But unfortunately, sold out ang mga 9.5 sizes. Grabe ang mga tao, mga ka-Chinoy, hindi ba? Parang hindi rin pandemic at parang wala rin namang nagaganap na social distancing. Kung kaya naman hindi natin ipagtataka na ang Toronto ang may pinakamataas na kaso ng COVID-19 nitong mga nakaraang buwan. As much as we want to stay at ikutin ang kabuuan ng mall, ay talagang kinulang na kami sa oras dahil sumalubong sa amin ang mahabang traffic on our way. Kung kaya't sabi namin ay babalik na lang kami some other time and we really need to spend at least 2 hours para ma-enjoy natin ang pag-iikot at pagsa-shopping sa mall. And from the quick visit sa Yorkdale Mall, ay diretso na kaagad kami sa Toronto Harbour Port dahil it's going to be another 30 minutes drive. Idagdag mo pa ang oras ng traffic. So here we are and welcome back again to Toronto. And kung mapapansin nyo mga ka-Chinoy ay dito rin kami nag-park from the last time's trip. Dahil nga it is very convenient and it's only 5 minutes walk going to the harbor. Konting Pino, ano bang pinagtatawanan nyo? Ay, iba talagang feeling kapag nasa labas ka at nakakabisita sa malalaking city. And finally, ay nagkita-kita na rin kami sa aming tagpuan dito sa harap ng Toronto Harbour. At dito pa lang sa may pangpang ay talaga namang mag-i-enjoy ka na sa ganda ng tanawin at sa dami ng mga taong dumaraan.
Nasaan tayo na?
Artistang artista, di ba? Sabi ko, lalo mo nang naging kamukha si Nadia Montenegro niya. Okay, so tell us how much is that pizza that size?
This one here and that one, we ordered two of them for $40.
Oh my God.
Welcome to tourist.
So have your first bite. Oh wow. See? Freshly made pizza. It's
Oh
good?
my God.
It's good?
I would have paid $80 for this.
I know, right? It's so simple.
Oh, it's just
There's no topping. Gusto niya ng puto? Hopia. Te, ano binibenta niyo, te? Puto, hopia. Ano pa meron dyan? Oh ha? Pinoy pa ba? Magpapahuli pagdating sa baunan ng mga pagkain? And finally, after 1 hour ng paghihintay, ay nandito na rin ang tall boat ship or KAJAMA na aming sasakyan. At pinili namin ang 6 o'clock trip. Pero 5:30 pa lang ay start na ng kanilang pagsasakay ng mga biyahero. And a brief history. The ship was built at Rendsburg, Germany and launched on July 26, 1930. Throughout the years from 1930 until 1998 ay nagsilbi itong traded general cargo. And the voyage went as far as South, Spain, Western Europe and Scandinavia. And noong 1999 ay binili naman ito ng Great Lakes Schooner Company. And dumaan ito sa matinding restoration for 10 months and remained its natural structure. And now operates in Lake Ontario, na base sa Toronto Harbour. So ayan guys, we're boarding on the boat. Para siyang mga galleon trade noong unang panahon. Talaga namang agaw pansin ang isang ito na akala namin ay member ng isa sa mga crew dito sa KAJAMA boat dahil pamatay ang kanyang pirate costume. Baka pagpa-picture nga. Ayan, boarding na kami sa boat, Batangas. Thank you. And yes mga ka-Chinoy, ang schedule ng KAJAMA boat ay from May until October, and they are open starting from 11:30 a.m. until 7:30 p.m. And be sure that you are on time. And syempre pa, here are the prices of the sailing fee.
As well as an 150-person inflatable life platform in the white capsule there in the middle of the deck. To do anything that feels kind of dangerous. We hope you have a great rest of your sail, and also if you'd like the full sailing experience and you'd like to help us raise. Thank you.
And on this trip, ang isa sa mga highlight ay ang paghatak sa malatelon o kortina. Pasensya na mga ka-Chinoys at hindi ko talaga alam kung anong tawag dito. Pero di nga ba't ito ang nagbibigay ng direksyon kung saan ang way na patungo ng inyong ship. And so I try to grab this opportunity na makihatak kasama ang mga crew. Pero grabe, ang sakit pala nito sa kamay. Pero carry na, syempre. What an experience, sabi nga.
Mahirap magtrabaho sa abroad.
Ay nako, ganito kasi dapat oh. Ganito dapat kasi gila. Nagpakitang gilas naman talaga si kuya. You know? Aba, talaga namang hindi nagpadaig si Gestoni. Hala, sige! At dumako naman tayo sa kids talent portion. O ayan, sige, hala, bira! Ang husay naman! Ang Kajama ship ay nagsara during the height of the COVID-19 last year, and they just reopened this June 11th of 2021. They also reduced the capacity to maintain the social distancing measure. The bar and food option had changed also. Sa ngayon ay pwede ka lang mag-order ng food and drinks sa mga designated crew. And sarado din at the moment ang kanilang dine-in mini resto na nasa ground level ng boat.
So we're going up there and try to enjoy more of the beach view or the water view. Ay, it's breathtaking. Sobrang nakikita ko lang siya before sa mga video, pero ito talaga live na nagtutour ka. Nakasakay ka dito sa parang old vessel or para siyang galleon trade back in the early days.
At talagang nakakaaliw ring panoorin ang mga private boats.
Sobra guys yung meron silang mini canyon. Sobrang lakas niya. Nakaganon na nga ako tapos naririnig pa rin siya talaga. Ang lakas. Okay, so what can you say about the boat ride? Is this your first time there on this boat?
This boat is on a tall ship boat.
Oh, that's good. Okay, it's fun, right?
It's always fun.
Pero may sinabi, and experience to. Ayun nga, sabi ko rin talaga, nag-enjoy kayo? Sobra. Ako mamaya sa Jollibee.
This medium serving of nachos is costing 20 bucks. Well, what can you expect? Presyong turista talaga as we know. At talaga namang sulit na sulit ang binayaran mong entrance fee na $32 because this is a 2-hour ride. And you get to see the Toronto Harbour to shimmering Lake Ontario, and you will enjoy the panoramic views over Toronto Islands and skyline. Talaga namang breathtaking at nakakawala ng pagod. Ay, ang bilis talaga ng oras when you're having fun, sabi nga. Kalain mo, naka 2 hours tour na pala kami. At this time, it is almost 8 p.m. And these are the views when you are heading back to the Port Harbour.
Thank you, Kajama, for the great ride.
And guess who kung sino ang nakita namin na nagpe-perform ng saxophone? Si Robby Domingo. Charot lang. Kahawig niya kasi when he was playing sax and when he's wearing his sunglasses.
I like that song. You're challenging me out here. Trying to...
And at this time, it's already 8:45. Super excited na naman kami dahil we are on our way for our late dinner. Saan pa kung hindi sa Jollibee? Bida ang saya.
So, ito nakahabol pa kami sa Jollibee sa branch ng Mississauga. Mas malaki to. Bibili na rin kami later on ng konting grocery. So, kung yung hanap mo mga Asian goods or Asian food, meron ditong available. Like, of course, Filipino food. And they also have Valero's bake shop. So, kain tayo. Bida ang saya.
And definitely, if you are looking for Pinoy delicacy or nagki-crave kayo sa mga pagkaing Pinoy dito sa Seafood City, ay samut-sari mga pagkaing Pinoy. Feeling nyo tuloy nasa Pinas kayo nag-grocery.
And there you go mga ka-Chinoys, and I do hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating Toronto tour for today. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para parati kayong updated sa aking mga latest vlogs. And once again, this has been the Red Chinoy saying thank you and God bless everyone. Bye!